Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. And I am just jumping on here very quickly to show you this gorgeous journal slash ephemera holder that is now available in my Etsy store. I'm just going to do a quick flip through with you just so that you get an idea of what it looks like, and I will leave the link to this journal below in my for my Etsy store. And make sure you jump over there and grab it with a quickness, because this one is not going to last. So first, you will notice I have used the seam binding from Terry's Paper Treasures. I will leave her link in the description box below as well. So make sure you jump over there and get some of the seam binding if she has any left. I know that she will soon be starting on some Christmas colors, but if you want the fall colors, you better head over there and get it. And I have used every bit of my orange. This seems to have been my favorite. So this is the seam binding here. You do have this little plate here that you can stick your name or journal or anything like that in there. We do have the corner protectors all the way around, front and back. And you see this is where your seam binding comes out, just on the little eyelet there in the back. When you open it up, you will notice you have a flip here. There is a tuck here. You open this up, we have another little tuck. This opens out with a little pocket. There's a belly band here, another little tuck, a tuck here, a tuck here, and a little side pocket here with a card. And this all closes back down. And I forgot to stick a card down in here. So there will be, let me see if I have one right here available. Probably not, but you know, I'll still look. So there will be a little journal type card stuck down in there, because this is a pocket, as you can see. Okay. Then you open this. You have your first envelope here. You have a cute little card in there that you can journal on. Then we have a side pocket that has, it flips up, has a little journal card stuck down in it. We have a little journal card in here. This is a corner pocket tuck that lifts up. It has a little tag in there. There will be, I will put some stuff in here, but you have another envelope there. This is a belly band that opens out, and it has a little card behind it. This opens up, and again, there will be stuff in here. Then you have, this is a 3-stack pocket. So you have a pocket here with a little journal card. You have a pocket here with a little journal card, and you have a pocket back here with a tag in it. And again, there will be stuff in this envelope. I don't think I have anything in it yet. And then on the back here, you have just a corner tuck. And then on the back cover, I have put this little like library pocket. It's actually a seed envelope. And I have just left this there so that you can put some like little stickers and stuff. And I will have some stuff in here. But I've left it kind of plain so that you can, you know, put your stuff in it that you want to put in it. And I have forgot to sign this. So let me sign it right now. And so there we go. There's my signature. Okay. So there we go, guys. Make sure you jump over there and grab this beautiful little journal, because I promise you this one is not going to last. If it lasts more than an hour, I will be shocked. So anyway, there you go, guys. Run, grab it. Bye.